So we want to sum all the marks for test 1, all the marks for test 2, and all the marks for test 3. And I will show you different ways that you can sum these numbers, and you will just choose the quicker way that you find it the best. So for us to bring the sum function, we will hit an equal sign on the cell that you want to sum and you can either type sum and then the sum function will appear here, then you double click it. So if you don't want to use the equal sign and type sum, you can come here, there is a function icon here, and click this function icon. Then it pops up this window. Once you have this window, on that highlighted area, it tells you that type a brief description of what you want to do. So I want the sum function. Once I type the sum function, here says select a function, we need this sum function, and we click OK. Once we click OK, it then ask you the cells that you want to add. So if you want to do it the manual way, which is time consuming, you're gonna come here and click all the cells that you want to add. You come here, you click the cell, you come here, you click the cell. But we have a lot of information here and we won't finish if we do it one by one like that. So what are we going to do? We're just gonna come here and click on the first cell. So you click your mouse and hold it down and drag through all the cells that you want to add. Then once you have all the cells that you want to add, you release the mouse. Then that's it. We're done. Then you come here and say OK. Then it gives you the sum. Easy like that. So the other way, we come here and say equal sum. We double click the sum function, and on the mouse you click and you hold, then drag through all the cells that you want to sum, then release your mouse. Instead of putting the close parenthesis, you can either click tab or enter. Excel will know that the formula is complete and it will put the close parenthesis for you. So let's click tab or enter. Then there is your formula. Then the third option, which is my best option to do, is to use the auto sum. So using the auto sum, you just click on the cell where you wanna put your sum, and then come to your ribbon. Is this icon for auto summing. So you just click that icon and it automatically sum everything for you. So let's try the auto sum again. So we want to add all these 3 numbers here and put the total here. So I click on the cell where I want to put the total, come to the auto sum, click the auto sum. You will see here that Excel will automatically pick the numbers that it sees, like this is the numbers or the cells that you want to sum. And for you, what you have to do only is to confirm the numbers they are correct, or those are the cells that you have highlighted that I want to add. And you do that by just clicking your tab on your keyboard or enter. So if you click enter, then we have our sum. So what you have to do is just to drag this formula on all the cells here that are remaining. So how do you drag this formula so that it copies down and you have all the sum for these remaining numbers? So you're just gonna come here, you click where your formula is. You see we have the formula here that is summing there. Oh, sorry, let me say undo. So we have the formula there on the cell, and if you come on the bottom, if you come on the bottom right corner here of the cell, you will see a little plus sign that forms. Once you have that plus sign, you just click your mouse and hold, then you drag down. This will drag the formula for you to add everything. If you just want to confirm, you can just come here and just double click everything. You confirm that it is adding the right things, but obviously once you do that, it will add everything for you. But if you want to go an extra mile and improve your efficiency at work, you can actually do this summing of numbers just by one click, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's remove all the totals that we inserted before, and we want Excel to put totals here and put totals this side. How do we go about it? We just come here and highlight all the information that we have, and then extend to the cells where we want Excel to put the totals. Once we have all this area highlighted, we just come here to auto sum and click once. Once you click that auto sum, look, automatically populates everything. It sums for you. So this is the most efficient way that you can sum your figures. Probably you have a lot of information, you have a lot of data that you want to add, and it might be time consuming for you to put formulas and break down and so forth. So if you just highlight all the information that you want to add and then you say auto sum, Excel will automatically sum everything for you.